Sabi naman ni Marvin De La Paz, sir. Any advice for a new and incoming crypto player? Since connected naman siya doon.
Yeah. So the advice I always give is actually on my hat. Let me see if I can show you. Can you read this? There you go. So that says,
Yeah.
don't trust, verify. And what that means is don't just trust that, just because some guy on Facebook live stream told you that, that so and so is true. Don't immediately trust that. You have to do your homework sometimes, and just double check. Try to find out kung totoo nga yung mga sinasabi ko. Me personally, I mean, I'm sure you can trust Bryle and James. They're fine, but like you need to double check everything that I'm telling you,
Yes, we need to
because that
verify.
is you need to do your homework, do your research. Don't just take other people's word for it. And that's just being responsible. Kasi totoong pera na yung
Yeah.
pinag-uusapan natin, di ba? So,
Tama.
you need to do a little bit of research. Don't just take everyone's word for it at face value without double checking. So yun, that's my biggest advice. Everything else kasi kaya mong pag-aralan, but you have to be willing to study on your own in order to protect yourself also.
Yes, and more on research talaga before pumasok sa mga crypto. Kasi hindi naman to business na may kita kang revenue agad-agad. So, ayun, do your research then and risk. Kung ano yung pera na kayang pag nawala, edi okay lang. Huwag
Yes,
naman yung
ayun.
live streaming mo yun.
Tama. Yun din yung actually gusto kong i-add. This is kind of mainstream na rin. Pero invest what you can afford to lose. Ayun. Huwag kayo magsawang sabihin yun sa sarili nyo. Kasi I think that will really help you. Like, do big decisions like this. Kasi Axie Infinity is really an investment. It's not like a need. It's not a job. So, ano lang siya, parang isipin yung bonus lang talaga siya.
Yeah.
So,
Huwag niyo siyang gawing business, kaya huwag kayo magalit masyado.
Tama. Huwag kayo masyado magpa-apekto, huwag kayo mang-bash ng mga devs.
Ayan.